Hi fellow viewers, to all viewers, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, to all viewers, marami nagtatanong sa akin kung meron ba akong topic sa video. Actually, hindi ko to linya, pero based on my analysis, very interesting topic ito, no? Have you ever heard luya or ginger? Okay. If you're familiar with the ginger, meron ako isang province na i-mention na talagang pinag-aralan at pinag-research ko ito mabuti. So, ang point ko dito is it was reviewed and checked carefully. Itong province na Nueva Vizcaya. Nueva Vizcaya. That's found in Region 2, Cagayan Valley Region. Okay, anong title itong video na ito? Bakit ko na-mention ang Nueva Vizcaya? Kasi para sa akin, ako ang as the owner of this YouTube account, I therefore conclude that Nueva Vizcaya is the ginger capital of the Philippines. Proven and tested po ito kasi aside sa Department of Agriculture, actually ang land area na pagtanim ng luya is para sa akin more than 900 hectares. Malaki na yan on that province. Kasi yung ginagawang food supplement doon galing. Hindi galing sa ibang bansa. No. Ibang important ginger. No. It's here in the Philippines and it's found in our province, Nueva Vizcaya. Yun ang pinaka-importanting part na gusto kong sabihin kasi nakita ko kami nga dito sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, hindi masyado nagtatanim ng luya dito sa former Central Visayas, which is now Negros Island Region or Region 18. Sa Mindanao meron din balinga sa Misamis Oriental. Oo, yes, meron din ginger na plant, no? Kasi ang most common plant kasi is banana, rice. Pero when it comes to ginger o luya, para sa akin Nueva Vizcaya, yun talaga. Kasi I thought nga it's Nueva Ecija, Region 3. Yung pala hindi. Kasi when you say ginger capital of the Philippines, whole Philippines talaga. So ibig sabihin, in the end or in the future, may tendency na ma-surpass natin ang quality ng luya. So kailangan not necessarily pagandahan ng tanim ng luya. So kailangan you know how to cultivate the plant. Kasi para sa akin ang luya is herbal talaga siya. By the way, I'm not from Nueva Vizcaya. Baka sabihin niya, galing ako ng Solano. I think yan yata ang kapital na Nueva Vizcaya. I'm not also from the town of Dupax del Norte. That is, I think, municipal. Hindi pa ako taga doon. Pero yun ang confirmation ko talaga. Para sa akin, Nueva Vizcaya is the ginger capital of the Philippines. Proven and tested. And how do I prove? First is, aside from the Department of Agriculture recognize that province, aside from that, in every public market, pag bibili sila ng vegetable, may kasamang luya. And then, suddenly, on that province, hindi nila nakakalain na malakas pala ang benta. So, yun ang napapansin ko, parang talaga na in terms of market demand, in demand talaga ang ginger. Aside sa ilalagay sa hot water tapos iinumin kung inuubo, yon tama yon. Pero kung food supplement, kasi mga food supplement marketing companies, hinahanap nila yung ginger kasi hindi nila makumpleto ang sangkap kung wala ang luya. So yun. So I hope that this video will catch up attention. Oh, by the way, before I say goodbye, I'm gonna tell you, my fellow viewers, ito sinasabi ko is it will be viral in social media, not only in the whole Philippines. It will be viral globally because once they search it, when they type ginger capital of the Philippines, that will come out Nueva Vizcaya. I'm gonna tell you, my fellow viewers, kasi yan pag nakita yan ng international observers, hahanap-hanapin yan ang ginger. So, that's it. That's my conclusion talaga. Nueva Vizcaya. Kasi, other provinces, okay man, meron din ginger. Although, kung titignan sa quality or sa whole Philippines, Nueva Vizcaya is the best. Talagang ginger capital of the Philippines. Kasi, ang governor pa nga nagsabi sa Nueva Vizcaya, kahit past governors, ang ginger nila the best. Walang kuan talaga. May trial and error pero maganda ang quality. Hanggang natin yun. Kaya sila pa nga nagsusupply sa buong Metro Manila public market sa mga palengke. Iba pa yung palengke sa Nueva Vizcaya in each towns. No. Metro Manila din. Kasi pag nag-click yung dalawa, Nueva Vizcaya at Metro Manila, aabot yan ng Visayas, Mindanao. So talagang talaga ang standard na they met the standard talaga. Okay. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.